You can break the rules. Breaking the rules. You can break the rules. Breaking.
All right, we're touring the Grand Design Reflection. Oh, wow. I think I saw it earlier today and I said the exact same thing.
So we'll start in the back. What do we have in the very back here?
Come on back. It's our bunkhouse for the 2 kids.
And the dogs.
Yes.
That's another reason we bought it.
You know, I think I could sleep up here in these. And we've got a couch down here so the kids can sit down here. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
I thought it lifted, yeah.
And we have dirty socks already.
And
in the
that's
camper.
okay. You're going to have dirty socks.
Exactly.
This folds out into a
Oh, nice.
queen-size bed.
Oh, wow.
So
Is this where the kids going to sleep or the kids going to
no,
sleep?
kids are gonna sleep on the
Okay.
and we're gonna buy a cover for this for the dogs.
Okay.
Because the dogs sleep with the kids every night anyway.
So they'll all be back here in the
So they'll all
bunkhouse.
be together. That's maybe their security, I don't know, but
Whatever it is, you don't want to
So
change
you're
it.
installing a TV here?
I already bought the TV.
Okay.
It'll be another 32-inch smart TV or Roku TV here.
Okay.
And of course they're fighting over whose Xbox to bring and whatever. So that's-
Hopefully we won't have enough time for that.
Right,
That's,
right.
that'd
You
be
will.
the
You will.
plan.
There will be downtime days, though.
It's all right.
He's gonna break something.
All right, so- It is. Look at that. Get that view.
I did already.
Yeah, she's not getting in
Yeah.
there.
That is beautiful.
Oh, this is what y'all are gonna see
Yeah.
when you're out on
That's
the
your
road.
future right
Oh
there.
my gosh.
All right, so we're moving to the center of the camper, and this is the kitchen, living room area.
Yes.
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 I love the island, the little island in there.
I love the island and the huge refrigerator.
Well, we had talked about some of the other ones that we looked at. The refrigerator was small, and I'm all like, okay, well that will help simplify food as far as waste because if you buy a week's worth of groceries, a lot of times change plans.
Something goes
something
bad.
happens, You don't, you know, we swap out the lettuce in the refrigerator every week. Just because, well, I think we have to have it for some reason. But we picked this one because it's more homey.
Oh
It's
yeah,
more-
yeah.
It's more appealing to our standards. You know,
Yes.
What you feel?
right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think it's better made than a lot of them that we initially looked at. And I'm not going to knock any of them because I'm sure there's hundreds of good
Yes.
ones.
Pros and cons to all.
Right.
It does, you absolutely, but it does look like very good quality.
It just felt good. You know, if it's like walking into
Like
a home.
Yes.
You walk into a home, you know within the first few minutes
Yeah.
This is it.
if this is it, or if you hate it, or if you love it.
Yep.
And that's how
You're
we
right.
felt when we walked in here.
Yes, for sure. So.
But LED fireplace
Nice, I love that.
that's electric. Of course, I'm okay. Some of these people, I'm sure, are gonna be like, "He's dumb." And that's okay, because I am.
No,
my learning
no.
curve is going to be huge. 'Cause
Exactly.
Y'all have jumped into this.
You've never
Yes,
had a
both feet.
camper.
Yes,
both
yeah.
Both feet, and I've got waders on and a waist high. You know, it's deep.
So you got your TV right here. I've just now noticed that because it's blended in so well. So this is gonna be y'all's living room,
Right.
Yes.
where y'all sit and relax and watch TV.
But from what I've read, from what I've done, the heat, as long as we have electric, this fireplace will be able to contain the heat and keep it up.
Okay.
To a certain degree.
Right. I mean, if it's 5 degrees outside, I'm probably going
Right,
to do a little
exactly.
something. You know, I'll turn on the propane. But
you probably be chasing warmer weather.
Right.
Absolutely.
Constantly
Yeah.
chasing good weather.
right.
Yes.
And she wanted me to build a fireplace in that house for a couple of years, and well, we just
You
bought
got
it.
out of that. didn't you?
Here
Wow.
you go.
Yes, yes.
But you know, and it just feels like home. It's the colors we like. We like the island. It's functional. We haven't laid out pots and pans and you know where to put stuff yet.
You figure it out as you go.
That's coming in the next couple of days. We want to have a general idea because I want to be the one in here a lot more.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah,
She's
well,
gonna be working. She's gonna be making the money.
She's not gonna come home to a bologna sandwich that often.
That often.
But I want it to be functional.
I think you've made a wise
You've got
choice.
it's a good start.
Yes.
I mean, we've initially talked about like a coffee bar where Melinda's standing. We've talked about making like this area just for school supplies. That way
Yeah.
you're always in one spot. We have a place for it. Because I think it's big. I'm a little bit OCD.
A little bit of
have-
structure, a little structure.
That's the
Yeah.
thing about living in a small space. Everything has to have
A home.
a home. You gotta know where it's at, and you gotta keep things
Well, we-
organized all the time.
Our house, we had 2 junk drawers in the kitchen of crap that we never used.
Most
We
people do.
we
You
do.
know, and it's to the point we had a yard sale yesterday and today, and we're all like, oh wow, this is kind of overwhelming that all that stuff was in the house that we never used. And I'm hoping this simplifies our life.
I think so many people really need to make that realization.
Yes.
But you did ask me which drawer in here would be our junk cupboard.
Everybody,
was the one of the first.
We have a 16-foot camper and we have a junk
Yes.
drawer in the 16-foot
a
camper.
home is not a home without a junk drawer.
But
Right.
you have to have somewhere, it'll probably be a tote underneath, the dining table or something. You got to have somewhere to put batteries. Just a lint
Stuff.
roller. I mean, it's stuff, right?
Yes.
Extra phone chargers. You've got to have somewhere to put it, and that's what happens to a junk drawer.
So, how many slides does this camper have?
3.
3 slides.
3
Wow.
slides.
So, this is the first one we see?
That's your first slide.
That's the initial slide that we have to open first, or
Okay.
you can't get to this point.
Okay, so this whole area here is not accessible with the slide in.
With the
Exactly.
slide in.
Okay, that is very good to know.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, and
if
that
you're
is-
traveling, you do have access to your bathroom, or your front bedroom, y'all's main bedroom,
Right.
but you do not have access to the bunkhouse and the kitchen.
If we have to get something out of the bunkhouse,
So how difficult is it to slide it out? Like, say you stop at a rest area, as many people do, and you just need to get to the refrigerator for a drink of wine as you're traveling down the road.
right?
How difficult is it to slide it out?
We can operate all the slides and all the lights off the 12-volt battery.
Okay, that's awesome.
So if we pull into a rest area, I can slide it out. We can come in here. Of course, we can have it set up to where the refrigerator runs while we're traveling off the propane.
Okay.
Which some people say that's way too dangerous. Some people say it's
I don't
fine.
think so.
It's always a controversy.
Yes.
So,
So,
whatever suits
I
you,
don't
whatever works
smoke,
for you.
So I'm all like, maybe I'm in the good. I don't. But
Be alright.
hey,
We've done it, right?
Yeah.
You often keep our refrigerator running while we're traveling. That way our wine's cold when we get to our destination.
But-
That would be lovely.
Yeah, I know.
and this brings up another. Instead of running that, is it worth packing a big cooler to put that stuff in so you don't have to run propane? And I'm hoping that,
I like my
Maybe
fridge.
Somebody will answer
Right.
that.
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
hey, we're looking for an answer here, guys.
and that was one of those. I've got Arctic coolers, I've got Orion coolers, I've got big ones, little ones. What do I need to take?
Yeah.
Because some people are. It's like saying Ford or Chevy.
Here's
Take it
the
or
thing.
don't.
The more basic you keep it, the easier it is.
Yeah.
So you've got a refrigerator, use it. I would say, maybe one cooler, because you never know when you're going to go on a day trip somewhere with your truck,
Right.
and you may need that.
Right.
So use the refrigerator. My opinion, use the refrigerator, but keep one decent sized cooler.
We're going to take. We have the 25 quart, which I think will be plenty for.
Absolutely, yeah. So this is the first slide.
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's move. Show them the bathroom. The bathroom. The.
This would be the second slide.
Oh wow! I
Yeah.
did not know
This
that.
whole slides.
Wow.
The refrigerator will come.
So these slides, did they meet?
The island is gonna be pretty
Close.
close.
The island is going to
Right here.
Okay, so each slide comes up to the eye.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't.
Then the third slide
Slides
right
in,
here.
in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the second
I
bunk
did not
there.
know
So
that.
all 3 slides are within right here.
Okay.
Now we looked at some. You could get a 4th one for the master bedroom. You could have got a king size bed. More money, everything else. We're doing this. So that's what we did.
I will stand in the shower.
Oh, that's awesome.
The shower is awesome.
Maybe
in the
I
shower.
should stand in the shower.
Maybe you should stand in the
It'll resort
shower.
back to that
Yes.
comment I made about a full size.
see her.
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, so
This is our bathroom.
this is the only bathroom
The only bathroom.
in the camper.
Yes.
And
But-
it's a very good size. Yes.
Really good size. I love the height on that shower. Look at that. You still got plenty of headspace in there. And a medicine cabinet. I'm a fan of a medicine cabinet.
Yeah, it looks like you may have two. Is that two cabinets in there?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Two
Nice.
cabinets.
And the sink is very nice also.
It's full of stuff that we're gonna have to hang up.
Exactly. Plenty of space though.
So let's see the door here. The door. What do they call these doors?
Pocket doors.
Pocket doors. Okay.
I'm already tearing it up, Sheldon.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
It ain't mine until I mess it up one way or another.
Yes.
And here's your
The drunk octopus.
drunk octopus,
Always. We always have to have one.
ready to fight. All right. The last is the bedroom. This is the last thing, the master bedroom. And finally, the master bedroom.
This is where the magic happens.
Any more kids in the?
No.
No.
So it is. We are trying to accommodate our life, and we've bought the kids foam under mats.
Make it a little more comfortable.
We have done that also.
We've upgraded our mattress because that little 4-inch mattress just ain't gonna cut it.
Right.
And most people do.
I mean, obviously, it's probably as many. You got storage overhead. You
Yep.
got closet storage. Whatnot.
I love that it's walk around.
I do too.
That you don't have to climb over each other to get out.
That was a factor, but you're also leaning on the washer dryer.
Washer dryer inside.
Yes.
Nice.
Combo.
Oh, it's a combo. Check it out, y'all.
That's a big deal.
That's a deal breaker for a lot of full timers if it doesn't have a washer dryer. Yeah.
From what we've read, the washer's good, but it takes forever to dry the clothes.
Would that be load size or does it just not heat as much?
We haven't used it, so I really can't
right.
say.
You're right.
I'm just going off of what we've read, and But,
It'll be the learning curve again.
You will
Absolutely.
adapt. You adapt to it.
but we've
And we
thought
have a
about.
clothesline in our
We
shower, actually.
That's
built
perfect.
in.
We do that also.
Perfect. Yeah.
So we found a standalone clothes outside, like a old school clothesline. It's a small one. It folds up into like a 3-inch diameter. Don't take up a lot of space. We're
And it
thinking about
works.
getting one of those. And we can air dryer and come in here and throw it in and fluff it up a little bit. It'll be fine.
Yep.
Yep.
So
Wow.
it's not much in here, but we haven't added. I mean, we've got 13,000 command strips that we're going to put stuff on the wall.
I started.
I love it.
Awesome.
I love
But
it.
at the same time, we're going to put our touches on here, just like we would our normal.
Make it
Yep.
your own. Yep.
Yep.
I don't foresee many candles being burning. That's that kind of scares me. a little
Maybe
bit.
just one.
Maybe. In the main room.
But it is. I mean, we haven't moved in, and we'll probably end up fighting and arguing over something. I'm sure. So it's just a matter of.
But this is our home.
That's it.
I love it, guys.
All right. So this is the Grand Design Reflection. We're going to start their full-time life in it.
Here soon.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
soon.
So we're looking for some of our viewers here. We're looking for some words of wisdom, some advice that you can give for Josh and Jana. They're starting their full-time life. So
Any advice or help
Yeah,
is
yeah.
much appreciated.
yeah, just drop it in the comments below for
Positive
sure.
feedback is a plus.
Yes, it is.
I hope we get a lot of positive because this is amazing. This is going to be an amazing journey. So, yes, definitely any kind of advice would be appreciated.
Yeah.
I mean, really good or bad. Don't do
Exactly.
this. Do this. I mean, really, in all honesty, I would like to hear horror stories as well as.
So you know what not to do.
Right,
Exactly.
right. I haven't even cleaned out the first black tank yet, so I don't know what to
We'll
expect.
do a video on that.
Maybe what not to do.
Exactly.
But I mean, it's like I said, it's a learning curve
Yep.
for both of us. But the thing is, we're also going to teach our kids to do this. That way, hey, this is a family ordeal.
Yeah.
Everybody's got chores.
Absolutely.
Yep.
I think
Get
it's
the blocks
very
out
wise.
to put the stabilizer arms down or whatever.
Everybody's going to have a
It's
job.
teamwork.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we ready to wrap this up?
Wrap it up.
All right. Again, I just want to remind everybody, this is my brother Josh, my younger brother Josh, and I'm very, very excited.
And
for
his wife,
him.
Jana.
I was working on that. His beautiful wife.
Thank you.
I am so excited for these guys, and they're going to have an amazing story to tell. And I hope I hope eventually we get to see some of that on YouTube.
If not, we'll share it here.
We will absolutely
Okay.
anything you guys want us to share. I mean, like again, it's an amazing story, and I can't wait to watch it play out.
I can't wait. Just the memories in itself is
It
really
will
cool.
be. There'll be a lot of great memories. I said it earlier. I'll say it again. Y'all's quality of life is probably going to go through the roof.
Yes. And we want to thank you guys for sharing the first part of our journey. I think
I'm
that's really
We
glad to be
love
part
it.
of
We
it.
had to be part of it.
Yes.
Yeah.
so.
So good luck to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Whatever you want to do, wouldn't that be cool? Anything that you could choose, you can break.